Welcome to Constera. Japanese engineers have developed an exoskeleton glove that helps pianists overcome speed limitations. Researchers from Sony Computer Science Laboratories and the Neuro Piano Institute have created a robotic exoskeleton that enables musicians to play faster. Experiments with 118 professional musicians showed that training with the device improves the performance of fast passages in musical pieces. The exoskeleton is attached to the upper part of the arm and the pianist's fingers. During training, the device moves the pianist's right-hand fingers to simulate piano playing at different speeds and in various combinations. After a series of passive training sessions with the exoskeleton, musicians demonstrated a significant improvement in their playing technique. These devices can be used not only for training musicians, but also for rehabilitation to restore motor skills after injuries and strokes. The editorial team of our program explains, professional musicians are well aware that with constant practice, the speed and precision of finger movements increase, but only up to a certain limit. Sooner or later, a person reaches their individual ceiling, where motor skills develop very slowly or even remain at the same level. This is especially challenging for violinists, pianists, and guitarists, who must perform extremely fast compositions with a high number of notes. To solve this problem, the wrist exoskeleton was designed to increase finger speed. To test the development, engineers invited more than 100 professional pianists, all of whom had reached their technical limits. The speed of their finger movements was measured before the experiment, and then for 2 weeks, each of them wore the exoskeleton daily while practicing. The glove moved their fingers at an increased speed in various combinations, simulating different fingerings. After 14 days, the musicians were asked to perform a fast piece again, and their finger speed was measured. It turned out that all of them played faster. Interestingly, the glove was designed only for the right hand, but the volunteers also noticeably improved their speed with the left hand, even though it had not been trained by the exoskeleton. Brain scans revealed changes in the participants' motor cortex, suggesting that such devices could be used not only for enhancing musical performance, but also for rehabilitation purposes, rather than merely providing an unfair advantage in competitions. Hello.